Buttons are always important, especially call to action buttons are crucial to get more sales. If you want to add some attractive buttons on your WordPress website without coding, then you got the right video. So let's get started. First of all, what's the required plugin? In order to add a clean and trendy button, we will use the Ultimate Blocks plugin. The link is available on the description box. By the way, we also published a complete review of the Ultimate Blocks plugin. If you are working on Gutenberg, then don't forget to check the video. The link is also available in the description box. This is a content without any button. Now I'm gonna add two buttons in two different styles. After adding the buttons, the blog will look like this. Make sure you have installed and activate the Ultimate Blocks free and pro version. Now check the Ultimate Blocks from the WordPress admin panel and click on it. Under the block section, you can see call to action add-ons. Click on the toggle if you see it's inactive. Now let me reload the page and add a new button inside the blog. Here in this blog, just click on the / and click on the improve button. See, the button has been added. You can also add it from the Gutenberg blog section. But the question is, what kind of thing you get with these buttons? Well, you can change transparency, background, colors, text colors, border type, border radius, padding, and margin. With these controllers, you can adjust button style. You can also save your button as a template and reuse it in future. Alright, let's make our first button as a template. Now, once you're happy with your design, then you can go for it. Okay, let's move on to the second button. As you can see, I'm importing that button from the template. Now, adjust a little bit. Seems good. I hope it looks better than before. What do you think? In the same way, you can add a stunning call to action button on the page of your website. On the editing mode of the page, click on the / or add an improved button from the Gutenberg blocks. Okay, now adjust it and you can publish. That's it. You see, no coding, no technical skill is required here. Any question? If you have any, please comment below. Stay with us. We are going to publish more amazing tutorials for you. Till then, cheers!